property which has a province feels, yet it is in the middle of the city and has an overlooking view of the mountains and the city. Then let Cebu Elegant Properties do the job for you. But before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates. Good day everyone, I'm Christine, your Cebuana licensed real estate broker and your property tour buddy for today. So right now, we will be featuring this brand new two-story house with a roof deck and has a lot area of 130 square meters and a floor area of approximately 250 square meters. So, di na ito magdugay-dugay pa. Tanawan na to ang balay. So we have two gates here. This one is for us and the other one is for the cars. So let's go inside. Ay, kaulaw. So here we have, on this side, you can put some plants there. Excuse me for the dogs, they are caged because we don't want them to bite our cameraman. Hi, Tina. So this one here leads to the garage area. Actually, this can accommodate two cars. One is a small car and the other one is an SUV. So guys, here we have a door which leads to the main house, but we will not pass through that door because we have to pass through the main door. So we will enter this house. And then, as you can notice, we have a locked door system. It's not your ordinary locked door. Go inside. Welcome to your new home. And then, upon entering, we have here the receiving area. This is where you entertain your guests who are coming to your house. We have here big windows, which will allow air to go inside. And here we have the dining area. This is the dining area which can accommodate six, what do you call this?
Seater.
Six-seater dining table. Good job. And then here, this one is the shared toilet and bathroom for the guests and for the maid's quarters. This is the spacious kitchen, which is very ideal if you love cooking. Mind you guys, we have this breakfast nook, which is really ideal for people who are always on the go. So we have here, this is made of a granite countertop. And what you can see, except for the utensils, is included in the sale. So we have here soft close cabinets. Here also. And then, as what I said earlier, that this door here leads to the garage. So if you have heavy things from your car and you're bringing something, you don't have to pass through the main door, but just pass through this garage door. Okay? So here, this is not a toilet and bathroom. This is a pantry. So this is where they put some stuff here. Excuse me because they're using this, so it's not arranged. Anyway, so this stairs here lead to the bedroom area. This is actually a two-story house with a roof deck, and the roof deck is where you can see the beautiful city lights, especially at nighttime. So let's go up now. So we are using a tempered glass here for the railings, and also this one, what you call this, is actually a floor to ceiling windows which allows natural light to come inside. Right now we are just, for video purposes, we're just using turning on the lights so you can see the beautiful chandeliers here. But actually this house is actually an energy saver because you don't have to use this during daytime. See? It's very clear. So right now I'm on the second floor and we have here 3 bedrooms, and a shared toilet and bathroom for the guests. First, we will check the guest room, but we can't let you in because somebody is in there. Let's just check the shared toilet and bathroom. This one. The shower area is already hot and cold, and it has also a glass enclosure. Oh, sorry. So let's now go to bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 has its own toilet and bathroom. This is kind of girly, you know. We have here a queen size bed and a closet here. So if you have kids who are like super girly, they can have this room, right? Go to the toilet and bathroom. So this one is the ensuite toilet and bathroom. It is enclosed. The shower area is enclosed with a glass door, and it's quite spacious here. Then we have here a working table for people who are always who love to work at night. So let's now go to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and the master bedroom can accommodate a king size bed. And it has a wide casement window, and it gives us a beautiful fresh air from the outside. Sorry, I just opened the door, so the door there banged. Okay, anyway, so this window here is actually not a balcony. This is a casement window which just allows us to see the beautiful view outside this window. So at night time, we can see the twinkling of the city lights. I'm just gonna close this. Okay. And the master bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bathroom. The same with bedroom number 1. It also has an enclosed shower here. And it has a small walk-in closet for ladies who want to, here it's filled with clothes, right? So let's now go to the other areas of this house. As you can see, this portion here, the hallway which leads to the bedroom from the ground floor, is quite spacious, and because of the white painting that they are using, it makes the small area big, right? So this one here is actually the entertainment area. It is where you guys would love to watch television together or Netflix with your loved ones. And they don't put actually air conditioning here. So all you have to do is just open this wide sliding doors for natural fresh air to come inside. Okay, now we have here another closet for the bed sheets. Here, this is another closet for the bed sheets. And this stairs here, you might be wondering what is this for? This is actually the stairs which leads to the roof deck. Let's now go to the roof deck. So this is the roof deck area. The roof deck area is very satisfying because you can actually make this as a barbecue area. Come here. You can actually make this or use this space where you can hang your clothes, or actually during Sundays you can do the barbecue party with your family. Okay, come with me, join me as we can see the beautiful view of the city and the mountains. And then here, guys, this is another room which they're using right now as a prayer room. So all in all, this property has a 4-bedroom plus 1 maid's quarter and 4 toilet and bathroom. This prayer room is quite spacious and big also. So there you go, guys. To sum up this property, we have a lot area of 130 square meters and a floor area of approximately 250 square meters. We have 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bathrooms. The other bedroom is on the ground floor. It's for the maid's quarter. And then 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor and another bedroom here on the 3rd floor. And then everything is furnished. All you can see, the furniture here is included. If you don't like it, then just tell us. So if you want to book a site tour with us, please don't hesitate to call us at 0917-7999429, or you may email us at myfuturehome101@gmail.com. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm Christine Pantaleon, your licensed real estate broker. God bless.